Hi guys, today I came with a new lesson for the Excel learning. This is an interesting and very simple formula for how to calculate days between two dates. So if you have two dates, we can calculate the days very easily using this formula. The formula to be used is days 360. Okay, let's start doing this. Suppose that we have the date 1st Jan 90 and the end date is 31st December 90. So we will use this formula days 360, just plus write days and plus tab. The formula will be showing you the start date. First select the start date, then comma, end date, and again comma, and select true, and then so in this way you can calculate the number of days in these two dates, 1st Jan and 31st Jan. The whole year has the 360 days, so it is calculating exactly the 360 days, but it is calculating on the basis of 30 days per month, not on the basis of 365 days, the exact number of days, but it is calculating on the basis of 30 days per month. Okay, thank you for watching my video. If you want to see another nice video for Excel learning, then please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.